We now invite Mr. Mukesh Ambani.
Ladies and gentlemen, Reliance has been an integral part of Gujarat's success story. Rather, I would say that Reliance has been an emotional part of Gujarat's success story. My father, Shri Dhirubhai Ambani, had a deep-rooted belief that Gujarat must dream big and progress even faster. He also had an unshakable faith in Gujarat's ability to translate its dreams into action, which is why he would insist that Reliance must always sustain the spirit of being a Gujarati company. Today, I say this with immense pride that all of Reliance's achievements are because we have zealously retained the spirit of being a Gujarati enterprise. Over the last few years, at the request of Narendra Bhai, I have had the proud privilege to be associated with the Pandit Deen Dayal Petroleum University since its inception. Within a very short span of less than 4 years, it has convincingly demonstrated its potential to be a world-class university. I am pleased to announce that Reliance has envisaged to directly associate itself to further the development of the university and make it one of the premier institutions in the world. Friends, the Reliance-Gujarat relationship is not just a partnership in business, not just investments of thousands of crores. It's a bond of emotions that transcend the issues of the moment. It is a relationship that is organic in nature. The vision of a vibrant and progressive Gujarat reflects Reliance's dream of its own future. We believe Gujarat should be in the forefront of India's states. Reliance will remain involved in Gujarat to make this a reality. Reliance's engagement in Gujarat is a partnership to celebrate the spirit of a state that has become an example in looking ahead in the path of prosperity, opportunity, and quality of life for all its 6 crore people. I salute the spirit of Gujarat, the spirit that makes it the toast of a global India. Under Shri Narendra Bhai's dynamic leadership, I have no doubt that Gujarat will lead the way as India finds its rightful place in the world.
Thank you, sir.